Hi all, welcome to my channel. There are stocks I am recommending for tomorrow's trade. They are Welspun India, FinPipe, Nosil, Indus Tower, Marico, Bharti Airtel and Sun Pharma. Let's look into the price action of the stocks. So first one is Welspun India. Welspun is in uptrend and today with a good volume it tried to cross this level of 169.30. This level is important for us. Once it breaks this level 169.30, so it can give a breakout. As the volume is substantially increased today with the green candle, so there is a high probability that tomorrow it will cross this level of 169.30 and its ADR is 7.6. Target would be, let's see any reference point for this. There is no reference point for this because it's at all-time high. So keep the target of any round number which would be a psychological level. So if it crosses 169.30, then it can go up to 175 or 180. As its ADR is 7, the breakout can give a good range. So it will be obviously more than 7. So it will be around 180. Next one is FinPipe. FinPipe is in uptrend and it has made a swing high 243.45, and after this candle of 6th October, the candles are forming within this candle range. Okay, they are in a straight horizontal level. Today it tried to touch the high of this red candle, that is 8th October candle. Today it's one stride, so there is a high probability that tomorrow it can cross this level of 235. If it crosses this level 235, it can go up to this swing high, that is 243.45. So as the stock is in uptrend, we can expect a breakout here. And since 3 days the consolidation is happening and today it tried this level, there is a high probability of breakout. Next one is Nosil. Nosil overall is in uptrend and it has made a swing high here, that is 314.05, and today again it approached after taking reversal at 20 EMA. Once it tried with this candle on 7th October, but today it crossed and closed above this swing high level of 314.05. So there is a high probability that tomorrow's candle also be in green. But here the level will be like it can open anywhere. If it opens gap up, then wait for this breakout level of 314.05 or at the high of today's candle, that is 315.80. Okay, and as its ADR is 10, you can grab a profit of up till 320. Okay, 320 is the next swing high, and also as its ADR is 10 rupees, so it can go up to 325 also. Okay, or more than that. So watch out for the tomorrow's open, as tomorrow's open will be very crucial for this stock, as it's already crossed this breakout level. So depending tomorrow's open and the crossing of these levels, that's 315.80, so you can plan your trade. The volume also increased from yesterday and closed above the breakout level. So there are high chances that tomorrow's candle also be in green. Next stock is Indus Tower. Indus Tower is in uptrend after this green big candle with a good volume on 24th September. There are no follow-up candles for uptrend. It is just making a retracement, as it's not a supply zone, it's not a fall. Okay, so today on 20 EMA it has made a red V hammer. Tomorrow, if it takes out the high of this candle, that is 307.80, so there is a reversal. So there will be high probability that it can give a green candle. It has made such a candle like its high can be taken easily. So watch out for breakout of this today's high and target up till maybe 320 or 325. Okay, why 320? Because this is a level where none of the candles have closed above this level. So there is a high probability after reversal it can go up to 320 level. As these red candles, they are in decreasing trend and the volume also decreasing. So there is no lot of pressure of sellers. Okay, today it has made a weak red candle on the 20 MA. So that's a favorable condition for us. Okay, next one is Marico. Marico overall not much of strength in the uptrend, but it has made a swing high. This one is a swing high. The level is 587 and it came down, and at 50 EMA it reversed. Okay, now it is in uptrend, but after trying once this level of 587.35 with a big volume and this doji candle, again it has come to this level, red candle high. Today it tried, that's a level of 571.95, so take it as a 572. So there is a high probability as this level, that is 572, if you see, whole price action is happening below this level. Okay, so 572 will be a resistance level. So today it has touched and closed just below that level, and that volume also moderately increased. So there is a high probability that the price action is indicating about a breakout from this level. So if it breaks out this level, then the next target you can take up to 581 or 585 as round number level. As its ADR is 11, plan your trade and the risk reward ratio, okay, depending upon the breakout candle. 5 minutes or 15 minutes. The next one is Bharti Airtel. Yes, Bharti Airtel overall is in uptrend. It is taking reversals at 20 MA, 50 MA. It has made a swing high. The level is 753. Now it came down and it reversed from here, that is 670. And after this reversal, this 5th October is a big green candle with a good volume. So here buyers are more. They don't want it to take the price down. So after this candle, and it tried to go up, but taken down, but it's making very small candles. It is in decreasing trend, lower highs, and the volume is consistent. So today it has made a weak red candle which hasn't closed below this yesterday's low also. So there is a high probability that today's candle's high will be taken out easily tomorrow, and it can go to the level of 707. So the level to watch out here is 696.05. Okay, so next one is Sun Pharma. So Sun Pharma, overall it is in uptrend and it has made a swing high. The level is 833.90. So round is 834, and the price came down after this swing high, and again it reversed. This red candle has been taken out by this green candle. Now it is approaching this level of 839. Okay, so tomorrow is a high probability that it can cross this level and give a breakout, and the volume is in consistent mode. Okay, so there is high chances, and its ADR is 21, so you can expect a good risk reward ratio here. So it can go up to 860 also. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you.